welcome back to another episode of MYOG, Make or Modify Your Own Gear. And today I'm going to show you how to make a strap for your skillet so you can keep everything together in your pack if you don't have the skillet bag, and you can keep your noise down. Because right now, if I put this in my bag, let's say I wrap this in a MYOG or a piece of cloth or something, I still have that rattle from the lid. So I thought to myself, you know what? If I made a strap that went through here and around and I could tighten it down, I would get rid of that. So I'm going to show you how I made a strap and everything. So let's get into it. Supplies. You're going to need some 3/4 inch webbing. That's 1.9 centimeters across. This piece is 25 inches long or 63.5 centimeters. You're going to need a fast textile buckle that is capable of being cinched at both sides so you don't have to do any sewing. Okay? I'll put a link in the description where I found this one on Amazon. Tools. You're going to need something to cut the webbing with and something to melt the end so it doesn't fray. Alright, once you have your piece of webbing cut, you're going to take your buckle and you're going to feed it in to each side. Just like that. Bring this around, feed this in this side. Just like that. Okay. To put it on, we need to thread it through the handle. There's just enough room to get that in there. Alright. Bring that up and around. Bring it through the D-ring. I'm going to loosen this just a little bit. Bring it up and around, cinch it, and then tighten it down. Whoops, I popped it free. Now I got it so tight I can't. There we go. Now if you get this tight enough, barely any rattle at all, you can go ahead and cinch that tighter. And the only thing you're hearing is me moving that handle. You're hearing the contents in there, which is a plate and my stuff. That's pretty much it for this episode of MYOG. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So make it, don't make it, that's up to you, but I thought I would share it. Thank you for watching and have a great night. Kira, say good night. Thank you.